Okay. Of course you did. You always do good on these.
My brother got our kids these giant foam airplanes that can do loop-de-loops. Then you just switch this piece on the tail around, and then they'll fly straight. Let's be honest, this was just as much fun for my husband as it was for our kiddos.
水上可以开，反过来也可以开，整个泡在水里面都没有关系。拿起来，来可以水上起飞。来，我们走一个，加大功能，保持时间。